fields.
So part of it, developed it, and now you still have a working farm. Like at night, you hear the cows, you hear the coyotes, you hear the pigs sometimes. You hear stuff, and me being a city country dude, I'm like,
Catch you off guard a little bit.
guess I'm going outside with that in my pocket.
Instead of like an alarm clock, there's like the chickens wake y'all up. Like, have you ever heard chickens wake y'all up?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy.
My old neighbors used to have chickens. Say y'all happen to come back at like 10 o'clock tonight, you can hear the animals like moving around over